Hi guys, so guys, on this particular one we are making shuku, or should we call it ponytail? Yes, we are making ponytail, a very beautiful and creative one at that. So guys, on this particular one, like I said, I am going to be making shuku, and I'm using kinky. Yes, expression kinky, that's what I'm using to make this hairstyle. And guys, I have this leftover expression kinky from the previous hair that I made, and I was wondering what I should do with it. So this is a replica of what I am doing. So I bought this one from the market, and as you can see, this is how it is made. It's not the same way that I am making the one that I'm making now, but guys, it's still going to turn out looking as beautiful as the one I bought. That one that I bought, I have not even used it yet, but because I have this leftover pinky and I have birthday to attend, guys, we have a birthday celebration, so I decided to make something creative, beautiful, and classy. Yes, it really looked classy, guys. So as you can see, I cut out some bits from the hair and then tie it to the band, as you can see from the video. So I continued the same way, and I ensured that I made it to be very full. So guys, I saw this some time ago in a particular video when somebody did this for a little girl, and I was like, this really made sense. So I decided to try it out for myself. So this time, not just for a baby girl, but for a big girl. So it's big. I made it to be very big and full. So guys, like I said earlier, I am using Kinky Expression, and this is color 27. So you can see that this is a unique color. So I continued just this way until I achieved the how big I want it to look. I continued this way, ensuring that I secured the extension to the band the way it will not fall off. I wanted it to look very full, and that is what I got. So after I got like how big I want it to look, I started, you know, dragging it out to trim. So as you can see, this band that I'm showing you is the band that I used. It's kind of big, not that type that we use for kids. This one is kind of big, so that I'll get more of the extension on the band. I wanted to use that smaller one, but I find that it will not get me enough of the extension as I want, and it might make the band slack. So I decided to use the other one instead of this smaller one that you are seeing on my screen. So this is me showing you the size that this extension can be used for, as in the size that you can easily make with this extension. So it was in the back of the extension. So guys, I continued just like I said. So I cut this extension into three parts. Yes, I cut it into three parts, and yes, it's long as I want it to be. It's not too long and not too short. And guys, trust me, at the end I will say I got what I wanted because I was satisfied. So have you done this before? Are you the type that wants to create what you see or buy from the market? Like try to create it again in a simple and easy way. You know, the one I was showing you earlier, the black one, was like it was sewn to a very curved, cap that you can easily wear to your packed hair. After packing your hair upwards like a ponytail, then then you wear it to the hair, and then there is a band and there's a clip attached to it that you can easily attach to the packed hair, well packed hair. If you would like to maybe apply gel to it and then make it look beautiful and shiny by spraying with oil sheen, then you can then wear that onto the well packed hair, either clipping it in or dragging there's a rope like attached to it that you can use to hold on to your hair. So but this one, guys, as you can see, is just the band. And if you ask me, I love the fact that okay, the bands, just this simple band, can give you the same thing that the other one has given. Yes, guys. Remember, I said the other one was sold into a a little cap like a net that you can easily wear to a well packed hair. When you pack your hair, weave it, then like use maybe a thread to hold it on like a short ponytail, then wear that one to it. Then you are good to go. You can weave your hair also like shuku or ponytail style, then wear it and you are good to go. Like, it's so beautiful whichever way you choose to rock it. Either you pack the hair or you weave like a chuku hairstyle or ponytail. Yeah, whichever way you call it, guys. So this is me, dragging out the excess strands, cutting out and like trimming to look equal, smooth, and beautiful. I applied coiling hair cream to see if it will give me some coils, but there was nothing like that. So after doing this, guys, I applied oil sheen so it can bring out some shine. So I continued to do this and until I got a satisfied look that I want. So after doing this, guys, I proceeded to applying relaxer to my hair. Mhm, So I already have what I want to do in mind. So I proceeded to applying relaxer on my hair off camera. So it was time to wait. So this I did, and I was ready for the party. Yes, guys, I was ready. So let's see how it turned out to be and how beautiful I look. So guys, I applied relaxer on my hair, and as you can see, I have packed everything up and here it is. So let's try out our beautiful creative acts. Like, so here it is. Ta-da! Ta-da! So I'll be trying it on right now. So let's see how it looks on my head. So when you fix it on both hands, make it twice so that it will stick. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow, 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 wow. Guys, what do you think? Guys, what do you think? Don't you think it looks classy? Like telling loud, 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 I am here. Loud, 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 I am here. Like, this is what I really expected, Shao. This is how I expected it to look. Tell me, have you done this before? Will you be doing it? Did you like it? Did you like it? If you do, just let me know in the comment section. And will you be trying it out? If you will, let me know. And if you have tried it out and you love it, also let me know in the comment section. So which color will you be rocking on this creative art? Will you be will you be trying it out with black? Will you be trying it out with this color? I showed you yesterday, this is color 27. Will you be trying it with wine color? I think I'll be trying it with wine also, because I love how it's the contrast between the hair and my own hair. Look at my face now. Am I not looking beautiful? As in, you can rock this to anywhere. Like, this does not have a limit to where you can rock it to with your maybe dinner gown. And like, it will be very, 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 very beautiful with dinner gown. Work like, I would think, where will you go with this one that it will not make sense? Tell me. So guys, how do you see it? Hope you love it. So thank you for watching. And it's again Chinelo. Chinelo signing out. Don't forget to like,
share, and subscribe. If you are new here, subscribe. Put on bell notification so you always get notified each and every time I post a new one here. And to my returning subscribers, everyone that is always coming back to watch, I love you guys. You are the Richie of this channel. Yes, let me know what you think, and I might be giving you a shout out in my next video. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next one.